In this video, we will talk about inheritance. In Java, what is inheritance? Okay, why we need inheritance? Mainly for code reusability, we need inheritance. Okay, whenever you want to reuse the code and all, we need to go for inheritance concept, code reusability. Here we are going to have two classes. Inheritance is something like general meaning of inherit. Okay, inherit means getting something from the from our parents is nothing but inheritance. Something you are getting from your ancestors is nothing but inheritance. You are getting something from the parent, that is inheritance. Same case here also. Okay. For example, let me assume one class is there, class A. Okay. You want all the property of this A into class B. Okay. You want all the properties from the properties, methods, everything from the class A into class B. Okay, this is class B. You want all the properties, methods, everything to be accessible from class B. Then we need to have the relation between these two classes. That relation is something like inheritance. Okay, that relation we can call it as a inheritance. Let me assume. Okay, see here, on class A is there. Class A contains different variables and methods here, like I can have public. Okay, different variables and methods are there. Let me assume here different variables are there and methods are there, whatever it is. Similarly, I have class B. Okay, in this class also I want to acquire all the properties from the class A into class B. Then what we need to do is class B extends class A. This is the keyword in Java, extends from A. Now what will happen is, whatever the properties, methods available in class A can be accessible from the class B. Okay, extends is what, guys? Extends is a keyword where you want to extend from one class to other class. Okay, so in this case, class B extends A. It means that whatever the properties, methods available in class A, you can accessible from class B. So now these two are in relationship, which is a relation. You can call it as a what? Is a relation. Okay, so between class A and class B, now we are having is a relation. So what is the advantage, guys? Whatever is there in class A, you want to reuse everything into class B, then you can directly extend that class into class B so that you can access all the properties, all the methods, everything into class B. That is the use of inheritance. You are inheriting from class A into class B. Now let me see with some example how it is inheriting and all. Okay, let me create a new class here. Okay, inherit example 1 I am taking. Okay, so this is one class I am having. Class is having main one. Okay, that's fine. So another class I am going to take. Okay, so I want to inherit for example, vehicle class is there. Okay, it is not a method. Vehicle class is there. Similarly, I have another class like class car class is there. Okay, I have car class. Here let me assume vehicle extends vehicle. Okay, my car class extends vehicle. Here I am having one method vehicle. Okay, so what will be having vehicle? So number of tires will be there. Number of tires is one vehicle. So I am having one method into it. So just I am printing vehicle may have n number of tires. Similarly, okay, I have one more variable here like vehicle. For example, let me take steering. Int steering equal to 1. One steering only we will be there. Okay, this is the variable is available in this class, and this method is available. Now I am extending this vehicle into what? My car. My car also I am having. So here also I am having into steering. Okay, let me so in this class again I am having my own public number of public void. Number of tires will be there here also. In the car also will be having how many number of tires, guys? 4 number of tires will be there. Just I want to acquiring the vehicle car having 4 tires. 4 tires. Okay, perfect. See here. So this is my vehicle class. I want to use them into my child class. Okay. Now this is parent class. Okay, parent class or super class. Parent class or super class. This is subclass. This is subclass or child class. Subclass or child class. Okay, fine. These two classes are now in which relationship? These two are now in is a relationship. Okay, is a relationship. Can we try whether we can able to access all the things from the car? Okay, please try to create a car class. Okay, object for car class. How we can create? Car C equal to new car. You can create car class object we are creating. C dot. What method is there? Number of tires method is there, right? Okay. So C class object you have created. Similarly, C dot steering also there. You want to print it. Okay, observe carefully here. And similarly, you want to create an object to vehicle class also. Vehicle V equal to new vehicle. Vehicle also you are creating the object, and here also you are calling to V dot number of tires. Okay, V dot number of tires. Here also you are just we can check it out from the child class, or let me change number of tires. Just NO tires I have updated here. Here also NO tires, number of tires. But see, leave about this step now. By using C object, we are creating object to C. Can we access these two or not? Can we try? Okay. C dot number of tires is a method. Okay. C dot NO tires method will be there. NO tires method. See, here it is available. Okay. And also I want to print C dot steering. See, can we access this variable and this method from the child class object or not? I am verifying. So in the inheritance, you are extending something, whatever is available here, you can be accessible from child class, subclass. So I have created object to the subclass. I am trying to access this method successfully, no tires method, and I am trying to access steering. What value it is going to return? Carefully understand here. Two methods can be accessible from the child class. So it means that these two classes are in is a relationship. To get all the parent properties methods into child class, which keyword we need to use? Extends is the keyword we need to use. By using extends keyword, you can access. By using extends keyword, you can access each and everything from the parent class into child class. That is the use of the inheritance, guys. Okay. So type of inheritance will be there: single level, multi-level, and hierarchy level and all. For example, I want to inherit multiple classes. Can I inherit multiple classes here? Let me assume another one class is also there. Public, okay. Class, another class I am having. Class, van is there, class van, extends. It is also a vehicle only. Okay, this is one class. Okay, can I inherit here multiple classes? Can I inherit multiple classes? No, multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java. You cannot inherit. For example, what is the problem here? For example, it is also having this method. If you are trying to inherit multiple classes, then you are trying to call to number of tires method. Which method it need to call? It is from the vehicle or it is from the van? So there is ambiguity. Duplicate methods may be occurred when we are trying to inherit from multiple classes. So multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java. At a time you can inherit only one class. You cannot inherit multiple classes into the class. That is possible with abstraction, interfaces and abstract classes. That time we will discuss about that, but for now, inherit from the multiple classes by using extends keyword. You cannot inherit from the multiple classes. That is not possible. Okay. The problem with that is, see, if you want to inherit the van and vehicle, see, it is also having what? It is also having, let me assume remove here. It is also having no tires method. It is also having no tires method. When you are trying to inherit from vehicle and van, which tires method it will call? Because both these methods are available to car. So that is the reason multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java. Okay. You want to go from multiple inheritance, then we need to go with interfaces and abstract classes. Okay. And one more thing I want to tell you here. Okay. For example, you are creating an object for the C here, and you are trying to make a call to the no tires and all. Okay, fine. For example, super key and this keyword is also there. Let me assume the car. Okay, so I am going to have the int number of seats. Int number of seats in the car. I am giving what? Number of seats are, for example, 5. 5 seats are available in this car. Okay, number of seats are how many? 5 seats are available in this car. This is also extending into vehicle. But for example, I want to access, okay, here int number of seats is there, van or here number of seats, here also it is there. Let me add here 10 seats are there, vehicle. I want to access the value from child class. This is child class. I want to access from value from parent class. How we can access that? See, from the parent class, I want to access the value. Very simple. Okay, you need to use which keyword? Super key you need to use. Super key you need to use. For example, number of tires it is printing. One more method let me take here. Public void print tires. Okay, one more method I am taking, print tires. I want to print here from this class. I want to print, okay, the car tires are, I want to print from this method only, this dot number of seats. Okay, now it is going to print how much, guys? See, number of, this means it refers to current class. This class number of seats are how many? 5. Similar way, I want to get the number of tires from parent class. Similar way, I want to get the seats from parent class. Then you need to use the super is the keyword. Okay, super is the keyword. This refers to current class. Super refers to super class. Okay, this refers to current class and super refers to parent class. Now, again, I am trying to call to that particular method as well. So print tires. Now you can observe carefully here. Okay, carefully observe here. Similar way, I want to print C dot steering. Steering in child class it is not available, but let me try to print steering also. Okay, number of steerings and all. See, you can call to this also super dot, what we need to call? Steering. But it is available in child class also. Okay, each and everything is available in child class also. Whatever the parent, everything is available in child class in inheritance, right? This dot steering also you can use. That's it. Okay, if we will run, what will happen? This dot number of seats will print from current class. super dot number of seats from super class, it is going to print, and this dot steering, because this steering is available in child class because you are inheriting vehicle. So like this way it is going to work. See, all are printed successfully. That is the use of the inheritance concept, guys. Okay, you want to inherit parent into the child. You want to inherit parent properties or methods into the child class, then you need to go for, okay, mainly it is used for what? In reusability. You are reusing, you don't need to write again these methods and properties and all. Okay, you no need to write again and again. See, if you want all these things, just you can extend into your class, and you can use all these things wherever you require. That is the importance of the inheritance, guys. That is the use of the inheritance and all in Java. Like this way we can use inheritance. Now three things we learned here. One is, you want to access parent into child, there should be a relation. That is a relationship that is achieving by using extends keyword, and this is containing what? Refers to current class. Super refers to what? Super class. Okay, these three things we learned in this session. So extends is the one for extending parent class into child class, and to refer to the current class any method or variable you can use this keyword. Refer to the parent class method and all you can use super keyword and all. Okay, again in the coming sessions, like in the in the polymorphism, we are going to discuss again about this and super. We will see that time again. Right, guys, thank you so much. That's all for this video.